If you want to install CapCut on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and safest way to get CapCut Video Editor installed on Windows, step by step, so you can start editing without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. First, open your browser and go to the official CapCut Video Editor download page. You can type in capcut.com or go directly to the download link for the Windows version. Once the page loads, look for the Download for Windows button and click it. If you prefer, you can also install CapCut from the Microsoft Store, which is another safe option on Windows. After the download starts, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. In most cases, this will be a .exe file saved in your Downloads folder. Next, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the CapCut installer file, then double-click it to begin the installation process. If Windows asks for permission to run the installer, click Yes so setup can continue. Once the installer opens, just follow the on-screen instructions. CapCut will guide you through the setup process, and it may also check your computer's hardware to make sure your processor and graphics card can run the app smoothly. This is completely normal, and it helps CapCut make sure the software performs well on your PC. Just let the installer finish its checks, then continue through the prompts until installation is complete. After the setup finishes, launch CapCut from your desktop, start menu, or directly from the installer if that option appears. At this point, you can also pin the CapCut icon to your taskbar or start menu so it's easier to open later. That's a simple but useful step if you plan to use the editor often. Once CapCut is installed, open it up, sign in if needed, and you're ready to start editing videos right on your PC. Now you know how to install CapCut on PC the safe way using the official download source. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.